What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest degen plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and I got something special for you guys in this one. But before we get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is a very risky and very volatile asset class. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. As you guys can see on screen, Meme Coin Daily, the channel is pulled up 345 subscribers. If you're new to the channel, you already been around, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps. And like I was saying, got something special for you guys in this one. Let's hop right over the DEX tools. Check out the top 10 trending peers. Number 1 we have Saitama, number 2 The, number 3 Shi, number 4 Kramer, number 5 Shido, the project that we're going to be checking out in this video, number 6 Brandon, number 7 The, number 8 ETH 2.0 POM, number 9 Sir, number 10 Dion. Now I don't know who or what woke up the Shido community, but they are awake, and they are awake with a bang. Okay, let's take a look real quick. Okay, so the project was out since April of this year, and as you can see, it was just building, and then huge move to the upside, retrace, because you know, after a huge run up, you gotta have a correction, a retrace, you know what I'm saying, to make the chart healthy. And it's looking like the chart is ready to break to the upside again, you know what I'm saying, for that next leg up. Shido community, dev team, y'all putting in that work. Let's see how much it's up by. If you got in let's say last month, up around 800%, you know what I'm saying. August around a 10-11x, you know what I'm saying, 15 crazy gains, y'all. Absolutely insane gains. Now I really love charts like this, guys, because if you watch my previous videos, when it comes to meme coins, degen plays, they have a huge run up, then they correct, they retrace, and then they just die, never to be heard from again. A project like this has been working its way, pop off, you know what I'm saying, retrace, another pop off, and then retrace, another pop off, you know what I'm saying. If it was doing it all the way back in April, I wouldn't be shocked. It continues to do the same thing. As we can see from Shido, we got 263k in liquidity, 123k in 24-hour trade volume, so that's not bad at all. People are buying and selling the project, y'all. Transactions are happening. 1.13k holders and 4 million in market cap. We definitely got upside potential. A 10x to 40 million market cap, a 20x at 80 million. Like I say, you can't rule it out when it comes to crypto, guys. Now let's go to the website of the project, see what it's all about. Shido, setting a standard in decentralized finance, so it's a DeFi project. Shido is a unique cross-chain ecosystem with next generation DeFi utility, okay? So they're really big on utility. They have a Shido wallet, nice. Okay, they have an exchange, perpetual, meaning leverage trading, perpetual futures trading. Okay, nice. Shido card as in like debit or credit card. Shido market and Shido games. Market as in NFTs. Guess we'll see as we check it out. Shido games, play to earn games, DeFi games, pretty good. Shido wallet now, so it's already available. Most projects, you know, promise utility and they never deliver. So the wallet already being available for Shido is some bullish stuff, guys. One of the fastest growing crypto apps in the industry. Join thousands of active users. Download today for free. And they have the Android app and the iOS app. They also have a Chrome extension, which is pretty nice. Okay, like MetaMask. A next generation fully decentralized exchange constructed on 4 protocols: aggregation, liquidity, limit, and perpetual protocol. Okay, I like that, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Limit, perpetual. We got leverage trading on Shido exchange. Bullish, bro. Shido exchange works with the instant governance under the DAO model. Okay. Despite being a DEX, Shido exchange boosts features that only CEXs offer. Fiat withdrawals to bank account, crypto Visa card, and perpetual trading. Shido wallet multi-chain. Shido wallet multi-chain is an up-to-date secure wallet. Store, buy, and send tokens and collect NFTs on multiple chains. Shido wallet features inbuilt cross-chain DEX. full fiat integration on and off ramp, so you could buy crypto with fiat, and then if you want to convert your crypto back to fiat, you could do that. Price alerts, NFT support, fiat integration, ledger support, hold on, contactless, and much more. Most importantly, your assets are safe with the Shido wallet, so it's like a trust wallet. Okay. Hey, I'm liking what I'm reading so far. We have implemented a biometric 2-layer security and authentication as additional layers of security besides your wallet private password, besides your seed phrase. Everybody has been clamoring for MetaMask to integrate some 2 layers, some type of 2-layer security. I can't highlight 2-layer security, but yeah, everybody has been clamoring for MetaMask to do the same thing. Some type of 2-factor authentication instead of just the seed phrase, you know what I'm saying? Shido has already innovated that, so that is some bullish utility, guys. Shido card Visa, so they got a Visa card too. Shido card Visa is a crypto debit card integrated into the Shido wallet. Shido card will be applicable in all of Visa's 60 million merchants worldwide. We offer the lowest fees on the market with no fee attached. Safely hold your crypto assets in the Shido wallet, and it swaps when making fiat payments with Shido card. You don't have to pre-convert your crypto to fiat. We handle that for you. Hey, they selling me with the use case, y'all. To me, some of the best utilities when it comes to crypto projects is convenience, ease of access. If you're making the entry to crypto or the use of crypto much easier, it's like regular day-to-day life integration, like using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, social media. When we get to the point where cryptocurrency is basically integrated just like a freaking app that we use every day, when we get to that point, you know what I'm saying, whoever develops to that level, that's gonna be a successful project from my point of view. Shido Perpetual Platform. Shido Perpetual Platform is a next generation protocol for perpetual DEX trading, lending, and borrowing. We are building a fully decentralized trading platform for leverage, shorting, and collateralized loans at frictionless speed and with the lowest fees. they selling me on the project, bro. We will offer our users perpetual trading with up to 100x leverage on the most popular digital assets. We offer an innovative way of trading by locking funds for perpetuals in smart contracts. Okay, everything I've read on this side is bullish. The exchange, multi-chain wallet, the card, on and off ramp, and ease of access, and you know, a literal perpetual platform. You know what I'm saying? You never know. With the success of Shido, a lot of users choose the Shido platform or the Shido wallet instead of a lot of the top projects or the top platform instead, because of convenience and ease of access, 2-layer security, and authentication. You don't have to pre-convert your crypto to fiat. We handle that for you. I like what I see as far as what the project is aiming towards, guys. Innovative DeFi for the people. Shido Finance is building a cross-chain decentralized crypto bank with services only centralized exchanges and traditional banks are offering. A wide range of fully decentralized financial services where you are in control of your funds. Shido is an innovative deflationary token, so it's deflationary as well. I like that. That works as a governance and utility token deployed on the BSC and ETH, so it is on the 2 most popular chains. You ain't got the gas fee money for ETH, you could get it on BSC as well. Nice stuff. Shido works as a connector with which all fees in the ecosystem are based upon. When demand on our services rise, so does the demand for Shido. Because as more transactions take place, guess what happens? The deflationary aspect of Shido starts to really, less tokens in circulation, supply and demand, guys. We are together with our partners building Shido Exchange, Shido Wallet, the Shido Card, Shido Perpetual Platform, Shido Games and Shido Market NFT. So they are developing a NFT marketplace as well. Come and join us on this amazing journey in DeFi. I like what I read just now. I really do. Shido tokenomics. 6% on the buy and sell tax. That's not bad. 3% for the liquidity. 2% DeFi utility. 1% marketing and operations. 1% max transaction. Free. All good from what I see right here. 100 billion supply, max supply. 52% burn rate. 47.5 billion total supply ETH, 48.5 billion total supply BSC, and 100 years liquidity has been locked for. We got the Shido multi-chain wallet and a full breakdown of the wallet, the Shido exchange with another full breakdown, and now we have the roadmap. See a bunch of check marks, meaning the team is getting stuff done. 4, 5, 6, almost everything checked off. Okay, so the next thing they looking for is that Certic audit and a massive tier 1 marketing. So they already have CEX listings checked off. What? Okay. They built their bridge, strategic partnerships, legal form regulations, new utility partnership, 20k community expand team, CFO and CMO. They putting in that work, fam. Number 7, 8, and 9 is next up. And they have more things, but they already started checking off number 7. This is what you gotta look for in DGen plays, guys. And they have partners as well, guys. A DGen play with partners, that is bullish. Antier Solutions, Morales, Intergiro, Mercurio. And you could always Google each partner, see their background, see if they're legit or not. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty bullish stuff from what I'm reading, guys. Shido takes pride in working with the best in business. We have important long-term partners specialized in online banking solutions, fiat gateways, blockchain development, and dApps. Shido also has servers hosted by Amazon Web Service, dedicated nodes provided by Fastnode and CoinMarketCap developers API. Our ecosystem is built from the ground by the best dev. It's a dynamic system that keeps evolving over time. Oh, they making me wanna ape. They making me wanna ape. Hold on, Shido. They making me wanna ape, y'all. And you could always read more right here. Oh man, going through this website, this is a bullish. Is this even a DGen play at this point? We're gonna check out the Twitter next, but I'm thinking to myself, is this even a DGen play at this point? They have so much utility and they're developing on the utility. The chart looks bullish as heck. You know what I'm saying? Is this even a DGen play at this point? Let's check out the Twitter, y'all. Let's see what we got on their official Twitter. BSC and E, 36.1k followers. They're not playing around. This is pinned from October 11th. Shido Exchange UI reveal. Okay, so they're showing you the user interface. Our decentralized exchange is on another level, boosting expert mode, dex trading with candlestick chart, place limit orders, P2P, or swap right in the DEX, all wrapped in a stunning UI with perfect UX for our users. So they have it in like a swap form, but then you could change all the different settings at the bottom with all the different leverage and everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's some bullish stuff. okay, Shido. They did an AMA 2 hours ago. I have a tweet right here from Shark Coins. 127k followers, big account. This is epic for Shido. I've been sharing this crypto for a long time. So Shido has an AMA on the 28th tomorrow with Binance Live. That is some bullish stuff, guys. Now I'm just checking out the CoinMarketCap info for Shido as well. I see they have 4k people that have Shido on their watch list. See the exchanges they're listed on. So they're listed on DigiFinex, 131k volume on DigiFinex, Coinsbit, and Baby Doge Swap. Okay, Baby Doge Swap. I just remember that Baby Doge Swap, Baby Doge had their swap go live. So hey, it's pretty bullish as well. And right here we got news updates for Shido on CoinMarketCap as well. all around, guys, I like what I see from the project. This is a very bullish project, guys. I have no complaints, you know what I'm saying? If you're an investor in Shido, let me know what you like about the project down in the comment section. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know what you think. Let's have a discussion in the comment section, guys. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.